Hello, and in this video I will show you how to stake your ADA to our staking pool, which is called Vegan Pool. This is our website. This is veganpool.org, and here you will see that it says we donate 80% of our fees to vegan-based charities each month. So what we will do, we will run a poll on Twitter, and the winner of the poll will receive the ADA, and it's to help out charities like I say. And we've actually donated so far to a animal sanctuary, and the animal sanctuary is the Sunset Farm Sanctuary, and it says their work allows animals to be looked after for the rest of their lives in a happy and open space. Okay, so that sounds good. The more ADA we win, the more blocks we mint, the more ADA we can donate to these charities and to these sanctuaries. So it's a bit of a win-win. The pool then makes a very small percentage of everyone's rewards, and then 80% of those rewards go to these charities and these sanctuaries. Okay, so that's what we do, and the first thing you want to do then is to delegate your ADA from either the Daedalus wallet or the Yoroi wallet. Now the Daedalus wallet is desktop version only, where the Yoroi wallet is desktop and mobile. In this example I'm going to be showing you the Yoroi mobile wallet. Before I do, I'll just show you on the Play Store. So this is an Android device, and I've downloaded this from the Play Store. If you have an Apple phone, obviously you need to use the App Store. This is the Play Store, and in the Play Store, if I just type in Yoroi, and it pops up there at the top, the Yoroi Cardano wallet. So if I click on that, this is already downloaded, like I say, so I'll just click open. But if you do scroll down, you can see it has 100,000 downloads plus, and it has a good star rating of 4.6, which is what you want to be looking out for. So if we go back again and then go into the Yoroi wallet. Okay, so now we've downloaded the Yoroi wallet from the Play Store. We need to add a wallet, so we need to create a wallet. So we click on the add wallet from Shelly era, not the Byron era. So now next it brings you to the next page, and we need to create a wallet. So we click on the create wallet, which is the first option. Create wallet. We give our wallet a name, and we can give it any name. You give it any name. So let's call this Bob's wallet. We're going to call it Bob's wallet, and we need a spending password. The spending password is 10 characters long, so you need to pick a password that you are going to remember. Probably good to write that down somewhere safe as well if it's not so memorable, but pick one that is memorable is always best. So here I'm just going to, this is just an example test, and then that's gone green. So I then click continue, and on this screen it gives you a little warning. On the following screen you'll see a set of 15 random words. This is your wallet recovery phrase. It can be entered in any version of Yoroi in order to back up or restore your wallet's funds and private keys. So the idea with all this is this isn't a third party. There is no customer services you can contact. It says here, make sure nobody is looking at your screen unless you want them to have access to your funds. So it's like keys, not your random words, not your ADA. So anyone who can copy this or take note of this has then technically got access to your funds. So we don't want that. So make sure you do this alone. No one's watching you. You click understand. I click understand. So these words I have now written down. I have them written down on a piece of paper, and I'm going to click the yes, I have written it down, which is the green bar at the bottom. A box which pops up which you have to tick to say you understand. So the first one is I understand that the secret keys are held securely on this device only, not on the company's servers. So we click OK to that one. And then the next one is I understand that if this application is moved to another device or deleted, my funds can be only recovered with the backup phrase that I have written down and saved in a secure place. So this is why you need to secure it in a secure place and not lose them. This is to say you understand. This next page, see if you have written them down correctly. The words you see at the bottom are all jumbled up, but obviously we have them written down. So let's go through them, put them in the order. It's gone green, so you've done it right, and that's it. On this page, obviously we don't have any funds in here yet, but what you will have to do is send funds from your exchange or other wallets you may have out there. Normally from exchanges, go to Stake Center. So you go to the Stake Center, and to delegate to Vegan Pool, there's a search box here. You type in the ticker vegan. So if I click on it and then I type in vegan, the normal way you spell vegan, search that, and it brings up two. The first one's Vegan's Planet. That is not Vegan Pool. The second one is Vegan Pool. So now we've found this, we just simply click on the delegate. When you send your funds, receive, you click on receive, and it comes up with a QR code, so you can either scan that or you can do what I normally do, which is click on that and copy this long string of random letters and numbers. So you copy it, and what I do, I remember the last five. Say PUNV3, copy that, it's copied. I will then go to my Ada wallet, click on send, and there it'll ask you to fill in the address. The address is obviously this address, so you paste it in. Again, just make sure the last digits, characters are the same. Just for security, really, just making sure you're sending it to the right place. If it is a large amount of ADA you are sending, you could just test this by sending, a small amount of ADA to start off with, and then once that's gone through successfully, you can then send the rest of your ADA if it is a large amount that you are sending. It's as simple as that. They all have this similar format, which is send and receive, or deposit and withdraw. So all very similar. If I go back here, you'll see you've got the Bob's wallet, which is the one I created. This is my girlfriend's phone, so if I click on her crypto wallet, this is her crypto wallet. These are the funds she has in her wallet. It is 1,984, and if we go down to her dashboard here, you'll see these are her funds. These are the rewards she's made over the last few epochs. She's made 4.28 ADA, and that's the total delegated ADA. So it is delegated, and it is delegated to Vegan Pool, as you can see, and it's as simple as that. Once it's delegated, what you need to do, you need to wait 3 epochs. Each epoch is 5 days long, and it actually shows you at the top here when the next epoch is going to end. This one here is going to end in 1 day and 1 hour and 2 minutes. So we're currently 79% of the way through this epoch. That's it. If the pool happens to mint a block, which is obviously a good thing for everybody, everyone earns a small reward in the form of ADA, and even the pool itself earns a certain amount of ADA too. And obviously from the pool's margin fees, we give 80% to charities. These charities are picked by you, the community, from a poll we do on Twitter, and then at the end of the poll we'll then get in contact with the animal sanctuary or vegan charity in question, send the ADA to them, and hopefully they can either delegate back to our pool and use the ADA as they see fit. Whether they want to reinvest or they want to withdraw is completely up to them.